Hey guys, ChevyFan2345 here, and welcome back to another video where today I'm on my Xbox One. I have an Xbox 360 game in my Xbox One, which is Black Ops 2, and I'll be showing you guys how to open up the Xbox 360 guide and how to accept Xbox 360 game invites on the Xbox One. So, what you want to do to open up the Xbox 360 guide is, you see these two buttons here? Let's see if I can zoom in. Here we go. Just click these, click them together, like this. There you go. And there's your Xbox 360 guide. So, it's the same thing when in order to accept Xbox 360 game invites, you just click these two buttons as well. And it will, once you get the invite, it will bring up, when you click those two buttons, it will bring up like how to accept it, like to accept game invite will give you an option. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. I'll be making more videos of technology, video games, and etc. And please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And for more videos, this is ChevyFan2345 signing off. Goodbye.